How to create a group chat in iPhone. Today, I'm going to show you how to create a group chat on your iPhone. It's super easy and a great way to stay connected with family, friends, or co-workers. Now, first things first, let's start by opening the Messages app on your iPhone. This is the default messaging app where you will create your group chat. Now, once you're in the app, tap on the Compose button or simply plus button at the top with a pencil. Now, in the To field, start by typing the names or phone numbers of the people you want to add to the group chat. You can add as many people as you like. Now, once you've added everyone, simply type out your message over here. This could be a welcome message, a question, or anything you want to start the conversation with. But make sure each and everyone whom you're sending the message to or inviting in the group has the iMessage enabled or the iPhone so that they can simply have a group chat in your iPhone. And once you've simply typed in your message and click on send, then the group chat will be created. And that's it. That's how you simply create a group chat in your iPhone.